Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore a new feature of LuBan. It is an added feature in an existing method called morphing. Before we dive into details, let's look at a video that's shared in Facebook LuBan group.
The coolest thing that I've ever designed. This is me and my roommates made up of hundreds of little parts in there, and we actually roll it as dice for deciding chores. And now I'm opening it up so that anyone can do their own version. What would you put on it?
It's a very cool object, and clearly, as you can see, you will see three different photos when you view the cube in different angles. And let's watch it again.
This might be the coolest thing that I've ever designed. This is me and my roommates made up of hundreds of little parts in there, and we actually roll it as dice for deciding chores. And now I'm opening it up so that anyone can do their own version. What would you put on it? The coolest thing.
The cube contains a lot of cells, and on the panel of the cell, you will see some opaque region which has been printed with certain filament, and most of the cells are transparent. Those opaque panels will form an image when viewed from one of the axial angle, X, Y, or Z.
That I've ever designed. This is me and my roommates made up of.
Clearly, this is a type of morphing, but it's different from the existing morphing that we have in LuBan software. So we are going to take a look at the new feature add into LuBan morphing method. Open LuBan software. Go to File, Create Photo Magic, and let's go to morphing method. In the existing morphing method, we have an option to set photo and text. If you hit text, these will be the control parameters. It's the same as the previous one. The new feature add is added to the photo option. So when you click the photo option, you will see a grid setting. By default, it is no, and this will produce a morphing of 2 or 3 photos in the previous form. Let's take a look at the photos that we have. The photos are 3 faces, 1, 2, and 3. When grid is no, it will produce the old form of morphing. So I'm not going to spend the time to do this here in the video. I will set the grid to yes. Oh wait, by the way, in the new version, I have generated a preview, so it's very quick to show the morphing results in the preview. So this is very quick. You can very quickly see the preview of the morphing. But it also says preview has artifacts. So there are artifacts in the preview that you do not have to worry. When you are satisfied with your settings, click Save Model. That will actually generate the model in mesh format, STL, OBJ, etc. So the preview tells you roughly what the object looks like in 3D. And this is our old form without using the new feature grid. If you use grid, you will get a grid form of the morphing objects. You'll see that some panels are missing, and this is the display artifacts that I was talking about in the preview mode. In the actual, no, there is another panel missing. In the actual save model function, this will reappear. When morphing is used, you can change the number of sections in X, Y, Z directions. And with preview, it is very quick to generate the rough results. So X directions start to have fewer and fewer sections. only 2 sections in the X direction. Then let's reduce the Y direction, and we can also reduce the Z direction. Okay. You see, there is a panel that's appearing and disappearing. This is preview artifacts. Similarly, for the other 3 faces, when you are satisfied with your parameters, you can click Save Model. The bar thickness changes the thickness of the bar. The border is twice the thickness of the bar. So if I set thickness to 3, the inner bar is 3 and the border is 6. It's basically hard-coded. The border is twice the size of the bar. If we set to 1, it looks like this. Okay, I'm going to set it to 2, and I will change this to 5, 5, and 5, which is the default value. I think we are ready to hit the Save Model button. This is going to take a long time to calculate, so I won't do it in this video, but I want to show you the results that it generates. Okay, I will change the surface color to white. Change the surface color to white, so it's the same as what's in the preview. But this is the actual mesh, so there is no display artifacts. You can align the cube to x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, and this will show you the 3 photos that you loaded. Okay. Since all the panels are in plane with the grid, it is relatively easy to print. I don't think you need support to print this structure. You can take advantage of the bridging of your printer and print the cube. No support is needed. That is all for the new feature at Morphing Grid. Thank you for your attention.